How to use Padlet. First, if you're using the app, you're going to click on the app and then tap the plus. Pick your style. I like wall or grid. They seem to be the most organized. Then you're going to give it a title. I would suggest titling it according to the project. Icons are optional. You can also give it wallpaper. You can even take a photo for your wallpaper. It's pretty cool. Check settings and save. I would suggest setting it to private. Then tap plus to add a post. This is where you'll place your text or photo, video ideas. Here, I'm doing ideas for shellac resin and polyacrylic. So I'm adding photos of ideas and typing in text, so different things I want to try. You can take a photo right then and there, or you can pull from your photo albums on your phone. You can even throw in a link from YouTube. It's pretty awesome. When you're done, click on the three dots at the top right corner of the page to share it. You can also add members. You can add me as a member, or you can choose a password. Make sure that you include the password with your email when you share it with me. Set the permissions to read or write if you want to. Then you'll hit save and you'll share it. To share your Padlet, you can click copy link to clipboard and copy and paste it into an email. You can also share or open via another app. Make sure to include a title in your email and the password to your Padlet. When they get your email, there'll be a link to your Padlet. They'll click on that, and then they'll type in the password. Hit submit, and it will open up your Padlet where all your photos and ideas are. They'll be able to open up individual posts and see a bigger photo, watch the video, and also look at the text. This is great for sharing ideas. As you're gathering ideas for a project, this is a great way to bounce ideas off, especially if you're sending them to me and saying, hey, Miss G, what do you think about this? Or this? Which one? Or I'm having trouble with this. And I can look at them, open up your post, and then email you back. The benefit of using Padlet versus just emailing me every idea you have is that all your ideas can be put together in one spot with links or videos and photos and text, and then you can continue to modify them. So it's easy access. Instead of pulling up multiple emails from you, I have them all together on one Padlet.